Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how to enter into the coin setting mode from both touchscreen machine and the keyboard machine. On touchscreen machine, what we need to do is double click the version number and double click the device number. Is with EMH coin changer, so we had to prepare 10 coins. Just put the 10 coins into the coin changer and enter into the machine and confirm. The machine will know how many coins is there. Next, I will show you how to enter into coin setting mode from the keyboard machine. Hit the password. The screen will show coin setting. This machine is using ICT CC6100 model. What we need to do is just need to insert the coins one by one. The screen will show how much coins you had inserted into the machine. And this balance you can check from your backend server. This coin setting function enables us to check from our backend server when the coin is going to be finished from the coin mesh. By checking the remaining coins on the machine, it can prevent the problems when there is not enough change and it caused the customer complaint.